Economic effects on the manufacturing sector. Projected 20% growth in advanced materials and robotics industries by Q1 2028 due to increased demand for Mars readiness. Summary: the manufacturing sector is on the brink of a significant transformation, projected to see a 20% growth in advanced materials and robotics industries by the first quarter of 2028. This growth is primarily driven by the increased demand for technologies and innovations necessary for Mars readiness. The integration of advanced robotics and materials into manufacturing processes is not only shaping the future of space exploration but also influencing various sectors through automation and technological advancements. Key findings and trends. 1. Robotics market growth. The global robotics market was valued at $71.2 billion in 2023, with projections indicating it could surpass $200 billion by 2030. Source 1. The industrial robotics sector specifically is expected to grow from $41.9 billion in 2023 to $192 billion by 2033, reflecting a strong trend towards automation across industries. Source 1. As of 2023, approximately 4.3 million industrial robots were operational worldwide, with 541,302 new installations, marking a continued increase, particularly in Asia. Source 2. 2. Demand for automation. Labor shortages across various sectors have intensified the need for automation, driving manufacturers to invest heavily in robotics to sustain productivity. Source 2. Robotics are increasingly seen as essential tools for freeing human workers from mundane or hazardous tasks, thereby enhancing overall efficiency and safety in manufacturing environments. Source 1. 3. Technological innovations. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into robotics is crucial, improving the capability and flexibility of robots in diverse applications. Source 2. Collaborative robots (cobots) are gaining traction, enabling safe and effective interaction alongside human operators, particularly in manufacturing settings. Source 1. 4. Sector-specific insights. The automotive industry remains the largest user of industrial robots, accounting for a significant share of new installations in 2023. The move towards electric vehicles is further fueling this demand. Source 2. The market for autonomous mobile robots (AMRs) and logistics is projected to grow substantially, with an expected annual growth rate of 31% through 2023. Source 2. Timeline of events. Q1 2028, expected 20% growth in advanced materials and robotics industries linked to Mars readiness initiatives. 2023, global robotics market reaches $71.2 billion, with industrial robotics valued at $41.9 billion. 2022, record installations of industrial robots exceed 541,302 units. 2021, recovery from the pandemic begins with significant investments in automation across sectors, notably in automotive. 2020, COVID-19 accelerates automation adoption, resulting in a 27% increase in global robot installations. Common key points. Labor shortages. A recurring theme is the impact of labor shortages, prompting increased investments in robotic automation. Technological advancements. The integration of AI and the rise of cobots are highlighted as vital factors driving growth in the robotics sector. Sector trends. The automotive and logistics industries are frequently identified as key sectors driving demand for advanced robotics. Differences between sources. Source 1 emphasizes growth projections and market values, while Source 2 provides deeper insights into sector-specific trends and the implications of labor shortages. The focus on collaborative robots is more pronounced in Source 1 compared to Source 2. Conclusion. The anticipated growth in the advanced materials and robotics sectors aligns closely with the increasing necessity for automation driven by labor shortages and technological advancements. As industries gear up for future challenges, including Mars missions, the integration of robotics into manufacturing processes will play a pivotal role in enhancing productivity, efficiency, and safety. References. Source 1, Stats and Insights, statson.com/insights/global robotics market growing rapidly. Source 2, International Federation of Robotics, //ifr.org/news. The economic effects on the manufacturing sector are projected to be significant, particularly in the advanced materials and robotics industries, with a forecasted growth of 20% by Q1 2028. This surge is largely attributed to the increasing demand for Mars readiness as industries prepare for potential missions and the technologies required for such endeavors. The anticipated growth reflects a broader trend of automation and robotics integration across various sectors, emphasizing the necessity of advanced technologies in manufacturing. Key counterintuitive insights. 1. Labor shortages driving automation. One might assume that labor shortages would lead to higher employment rates as companies scramble to fill positions. However, the opposite is occurring. Companies are increasingly investing in automation to mitigate these shortages. This counterintuitive outcome illustrates how businesses prioritize efficiency and productivity over simply filling roles, leading to a more significant reliance on robotic solutions. 2. Rise of collaborative robots, cobots. The emergence of collaborative robots or cobots highlights a shift in manufacturing dynamics. While one might expect that automation would lead to a reduction in human labor, the reality is that cobots are designed to work alongside humans, enhancing their productivity rather than replacing them. This paradigm shift suggests a future where the human workforce is complemented by robots rather than entirely displaced. 3. AI integration enhancing human capabilities. There is a common perception that AI and robotics are primarily focused on replacing human workers. However, the integration of AI into robotic systems is actually enhancing human capabilities by automating repetitive or dangerous tasks. AI allows human workers to focus on more complex, creative, and fulfilling roles. This is a significant shift from the traditional view of automation as a job killer. For economic growth linked to robotics adoption, many may believe that the adoption of new technologies, including robotics, would slow down during economic downturns. Contrary to this belief, the robotics market has shown resilience and even growth during challenging economic times. The COVID-19 pandemic, for example, accelerated the adoption of robotics across multiple sectors, proving that companies view automation as a strategic investment rather than a luxury. 5. Increased demand for customized products. As consumer behavior shifts toward personalization, the assumption might be that manufacturing would need to focus on high-volume production. However, the opposite is true. Advanced robotics and automation enable manufacturers to produce customized products efficiently. This flexibility in production lines allows companies to meet diverse consumer demands without compromising on speed or quality. 6. Sustainability through automation. It could be assumed that the push for sustainability would hinder technological advancements in manufacturing due to the costs involved. However, the integration of robotics is being recognized as a critical driver for sustainable practices. Robots enhance precision in production, leading to reduced waste and energy consumption, ultimately aligning with sustainable development goals. 7. Robotics in non-traditional sectors. It may seem logical that robotics would primarily thrive in traditional manufacturing sectors like automotive or electronics. Surprisingly, there is a growing trend of robotics being adopted in sectors previously considered too manual or labor-intensive, such as agriculture, hospitality, and healthcare. This expansion into new markets shows a broader acceptance and understanding of the benefits that automation can provide. Summary. The projected 20% growth in the advanced materials and robotics sectors by Q1 2028, spurred by the need for Mars readiness, underscores a transformative shift in the manufacturing landscape. The counterintuitive insights reveal that rather than replacing human labor, robotics and automation are enhancing productivity, efficiency, and sustainability across various sectors. As industries adapt to evolving consumer demands and labor challenges, the reliance on advanced technologies will continue to shape the future of manufacturing. The report highlights a projected 20% growth in the advanced materials and robotics sectors by Q1 2028, driven primarily by the demand for technologies that facilitate readiness for Mars exploration. While many may focus on the broad implications of this growth, there are critical nuances and overlooked elements within the report that warrant deeper exploration. Significant insights often overlooked. 1. Mars readiness as a catalyst for innovation. The drive for Mars readiness is not merely about preparing for a singular mission, it symbolizes a broader shift in how industries approach technological advancement. This focus on extraterrestrial exploration necessitates innovations in materials that can withstand extreme environments and robotics that can operate autonomously in unpredictable conditions. The implications of this focus extend far beyond space exploration, fostering advancements in sectors such as defense, healthcare, and environmental monitoring. The significance of this lies in the potential spillover effects. Technologies developed for Mars could lead to advancements in Earth-based applications, enhancing efficiency and capability across multiple industries. 2. Impact of labor shortages on automation. The report rightly identifies labor shortages as a significant driver for increased automation. Yet it underestimates the long-term implications of this shift. As industries increasingly rely on robotics to fill gaps created by workforce shortages, there may be a tendency to devalue human labor in favor of automation, leading to socioeconomic challenges. The significance here is twofold. While automation can enhance productivity, it also risks exacerbating unemployment and necessitates a rethinking of workforce training and education. The report should emphasize the urgency for stakeholders to collaborate on training programs that prepare workers for the evolving landscape of jobs influenced by automation. 3. Collaborative robots, cobots as a game changer. The rise of collaborative robots or cobots often receives mention but lacks robust discussion regarding their transformative potential. Cobots are designed to work alongside humans, performing repetitive or physically demanding tasks while allowing workers to focus on more complex activities. This shift in task distribution not only increases workplace safety but also enhances overall productivity. The significance lies in the potential for cobots to redefine labor roles and workflows, creating a more harmonious relationship between humans and machines. Industries that fail to adopt cobot technologies may find themselves lagging in competitiveness as they cling to traditional labor models. 4. Sector-specific insights and variability. The report highlights the automotive sector as a major adopter of robotics, particularly in the push towards electric vehicle production. However, it overlooks the nuanced variations within this sector. For instance, while traditional manufacturing may see a decrease in labor demand due to automation, the shift towards electric vehicles could create new roles focused on software maintenance and design of advanced robotic systems. The significance of this insight is in recognizing that automation does not uniformly eliminate jobs, instead it transforms them, creating a demand for new skills and expertise. 5. Technological innovations beyond robotics. The integration of AI into robotics is a critical trend that deserves more attention. While the report mentions improvements in AI-driven robotics, it does not adequately discuss how these innovations can enhance the efficiency and adaptability of robots in dynamic environments. For example, AI can facilitate real-time decision-making and learning, allowing robots to adapt to changing conditions autonomously. The significance here is in the potential for AI to not only improve productivity but also enable robots to perform complex tasks previously thought to be purely human domains, such as nuanced quality control processes. 6. Sustainability implications of robotics growth. The environmental impact of increased robotics adoption is a crucial aspect that the report touches on but does not fully explore. As industries pivot towards automation, there is an opportunity to integrate sustainable practices such as energy-efficient robotics and reduced waste in manufacturing processes. The significance lies in the dual challenge of meeting production demands while also adhering to environmental sustainability goals. Robotics can play a pivotal role in achieving these goals, but it requires a strategic approach from businesses to ensure that sustainability is prioritized in their automation strategies. 7. Global disparities in robotics adoption. The report focuses on growth in advanced economies but might underplay the challenges faced by developing regions in adopting robotics technologies. While advanced economies may rapidly implement these technologies, developing nations often struggle with infrastructure investment and training. The significance of addressing these disparities is essential for fostering global equity in technological advancement and ensuring that all regions can benefit from the efficiencies and opportunities presented by robotics. Conclusion. The projected growth in advanced materials and robotics industries presents significant opportunities, particularly in the context of preparing for Mars exploration. However, it is essential to recognize the broader implications of this growth, particularly regarding labor dynamics, the transformative potential of cobots, and the integration of AI. Additionally, the sustainability of these technologies and the global disparities in robotics adoption present challenges that require proactive solutions. By addressing these often overlooked aspects, stakeholders can better prepare for a future where robotics not only drive economic growth but also enhance human capabilities and foster sustainable practices. 1. Projected growth and market dynamics. The advanced materials and robotics industries are set to experience a significant growth trajectory, projected at 20% by Q1 2028. Largely driven by the demand for Mars readiness. This growth reflects a wider trend of increasing automation across various sectors, particularly in manufacturing. The global robotics market was valued at $71.2 billion in 2023, with expectations of surpassing $200 billion by 2030. The industrial robotics market alone is projected to grow from $41.9 billion in 2023 to $192 billion by 2033. This explosive growth is indicative of the ongoing transformation in manufacturing, where companies are increasingly adopting robotic solutions to enhance productivity, reduce costs, and meet the challenges posed by labor shortages. 2. Labor shortages and automation. A recurring theme in the industry is the impact of labor shortages, prompting manufacturers to invest heavily in automation technologies. As the workforce continues to shrink due to demographic changes, companies are turning to robots to fill gaps left by human workers. Automation is seen as a solution to maintain productivity and efficiency, especially in labor-intensive sectors. Robots are being deployed to handle dirty, dull, and dangerous tasks, thereby allowing human workers to focus on higher-value activities. The integration of robots not only helps alleviate the pressures of labor shortages but also enhances workplace safety and operational efficiency. 3. Technological innovations. Technological advancements, particularly in artificial intelligence (AI) and collaborative robotics, are pivotal in shaping the future of the robotics sector. The integration of AI allows for smarter robots that can adapt to varying conditions and optimize workflows. Collaborative robots (cobots) are gaining traction as they can work alongside human operators, enhancing productivity without the need for extensive safety measures. This evolution in robotics technology is crucial for adapting to the increasing complexity of manufacturing processes and the demand for personalized products, especially in the automotive and logistics sectors. 4. Sector-specific insights and applications. Specific sectors such as automotive and logistics are leading the adoption of robotics and automation. The automotive industry remains the largest user of industrial robots, with significant investments in robotic automation for electric vehicle production. Additionally, the logistics sector is experiencing a surge in demand for autonomous mobile robots (AMRs), with an expected annual growth rate of 31%. This trend underscores the importance of automation in enhancing efficiency and responsiveness in supply chain operations. The insights into sector-specific applications reveal how different industries are leveraging robotics to tackle unique challenges and capitalize on opportunities for growth. In summary, the convergence of increased automation driven by labor shortages, significant technological advancements, and targeted growth in specific sectors is reshaping the manufacturing landscape, particularly as industries prepare for future challenges such as Mars missions. The anticipated growth in advanced materials and robotics industries presents a unique opportunity for stakeholders to innovate and adapt in a rapidly evolving economic environment. 1. The Industrial Revolution 1760 to 1840. The Industrial Revolution marked a significant turning point in history as it transitioned economies from agrarian societies to industrialized and urban ones. The introduction of machinery and the use of steam power revolutionized manufacturing processes, leading to increased production rates and efficiency. Factories became the center of economic activity, and innovations like the spinning jenny and the power loom transformed textile manufacturing. This period also saw the rise of labor movements as workers sought better conditions and wages in response to the often harsh realities of factory life. The economic impacts were profound, leading to urbanization, changes in labor markets, and the eventual rise of consumer culture. 2. The dot-com bubble, late 1990s, 2000. The late 1990s saw an explosion of growth in technology companies, particularly those related to the Internet. This period, often referred to as the dot-com bubble, was characterized by massive investments in tech startups, many of which were based on unproven business models. The rapid rise in stock prices was driven by speculation, leading to a market peak in March 2000. However, the bubble burst soon after, resulting in significant economic fallout, including massive layoffs and the collapse of many tech companies. This period underscored the impact of technological innovation on economic growth and highlighted the risks associated with speculative investment in emerging industries. 3. The rise of automation in manufacturing, 21st century. In recent years, the manufacturing sector has seen a substantial shift towards automation and robotics, driven by advances in technology and a need for efficiency. Companies have increasingly adopted robotics for tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require precision, leading to significant productivity gains. The integration of AI and machine learning into robotics has further enhanced their capabilities, allowing for smarter and more flexible manufacturing processes. This trend is not only reshaping labor markets as many traditional jobs are automated, but it is also driving economic growth in sectors such as automotive, electronics, and logistics. The emergence of concepts like Industry 4.0 encapsulates this transformation, focusing on smart factories and the interconnectedness of machines and systems. Future outlook: economic effects on the manufacturing sector. Overview of growth predictions. The manufacturing sector is set to experience a significant transformation over the next few years, particularly with the projected 20% growth in the advanced materials and robotics industries by Q1 2028. This growth is primarily fueled by rising demands associated with Mars readiness initiatives, which are driving the need for advanced technologies and automation in manufacturing processes. Key trends and predictions. 1. Increased investment in robotics. The global robotics market, valued at approximately $71.2 billion in 2023, is anticipated to surpass $200 billion by 2030, with the industrial robotics market alone projected to grow from $41.9 billion in 2023 to $192 billion by 2033. This surge in demand is largely attributed to labor shortages and the need for efficiency, especially in sectors such as automotive, electronics, and logistics. Source 1. The operational stock of industrial robots globally reached around 4.3 million units in 2023, with significant growth expected particularly in Asia and North America, where labor shortages are prompting increased automation. 2. Advancements in technology. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into robotics will continue to enhance the efficiency and functionality of robots. AI technologies, particularly in analytical and generative forms, will enable robots to perform complex tasks autonomously and adapt to variable conditions in manufacturing environments. Source 2. Collaborative robots cobots are expected to gain traction, allowing for safer human-robot interactions in shared workspaces, thus promoting productivity without the need for extensive safety measures. 3. Sector-specific growth. The automotive sector, which has historically been a leader in robotics adoption, is expected to further drive demand due to the transition to electric vehicles. Increased automation will be essential for meeting production demands and ensuring quality source too. The logistics sector is also poised for substantial growth. With a projected annual growth rate of 31% for autonomous mobile robots AMRs through 2023 as companies seek to automate material handling and improve supply chain efficiency. 4. Sustainability and efficiency. As companies face pressure to meet sustainability goals, robots will play a crucial role in reducing waste and energy consumption in manufacturing processes. Innovations in robot design, such as energy-efficient components and smart power-saving technologies, will contribute to lower operational costs and a reduced carbon footprint source too. The demand for sustainable production methods will further drive the adoption of robotics, particularly in industries focused on green technologies like solar panel and electric vehicle manufacturing. 5. Global market dynamics. The competition among leading robotics markets, particularly China, Japan, South Korea, and the United States, will shape the future landscape of the industry. China's rapid advancements and investments in robotics technology are expected to sustain its leadership in industrial robot installations, accounting for over half of global installations. Source 1. The emergence of new markets in Latin America, Africa, and Southeast Asia presents opportunities for robotics companies as they seek to expand their footprint and capture emerging demand for automation solutions. Conclusion. The manufacturing sector's future is closely tied to the advancements in robotics and automation technologies. With a projected 20% growth in the advanced materials and robotics industries by Q1 2028 driven by the need for AMRs readiness and other technological advancements, businesses must adapt to remain competitive. As labor shortages persist and sustainability becomes increasingly important, the integration of robotics into manufacturing processes is not just a trend but a necessity for economic growth and operational efficiency. The next few years will likely witness a significant shift in how manufacturing is conducted, with robotics at the forefront of this transformation.